I want to start mixing the batter for the simple cake recipe I started. I showed you guys the ingredients before. I want to start mixing. So just for family consumption, nothing too difficult, just a simple thing. Don't make life too hard or make it too difficult. Don't over work out yourself just because you want to make simple things you can consume at home. So I'm going to start with the wet ingredients. Let me start with the milk. I'm pouring in the milk. That's the milk. Then I go in with the yogurt. I added the yogurt. Now I'll be going in with the melted butter. I'm adding the melted butter. Then I'm going to add in soy oil. Then I will add a little bit of raspberry oil. Then I will add in my 2 eggs. Add in my 2 eggs. Then mix it up a little first. Mix it up together, the wet ingredients. So this is what is looking like now. It's looking creamy. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add in my sugar. Just I will add, like, let's say 4, 5. I add in 5 spoons of sugar. Then I will add salt. I have salt here, just a half